Class, I wanted to add another video to review some factoring concepts with you guys. So if you need some help with factoring, this video is for you. Alright, this kind of goes over some of our more difficult types of factoring, and really what I mean by that is when our A value is not 1. Okay, when our A value is 1, I have complete confidence in you guys factoring. When the A value is not 1, I lose a little bit of that confidence, okay? And I want to build that confidence in you guys back up. And by that I mean, like, I want you to build up your own confidence, okay? Cool. So 6x squared minus 5x minus 6. Again, we see A is not 1. What do we do here? What's the strategy? We want to multiply the A and the C value together, okay? So we are going to say that the numbers need to multiply to whatever A times C is. So 6 times negative 6, okay, negative 36. And I know you guys like your MA table, so now we have to add to negative 5. Or something like that. I don't exactly know how you guys make your MA tables. I'm doing the best I can here. Alright. We need to find two numbers that multiply to negative 36 and add to negative 5. Alright, well, not 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, no, 4 and 9. Ooh, I like 4 and 9. I like 4 and 9 a lot. 4 times 9, 4, 9. What has to be true, though? One of these has to be negative to make negative 36. So what are we thinking here? 4, I think it should be the 9. Yeah, that looks good. Okay? These two values are super important. What you have to understand, though, is this is not how you actually finish the factoring process. This just tells you how to split the middle. So now I know that I can write plus 4x and minus 9x. Right? Plus 4x minus 9x. This is just splitting the middle. Split the middle. Now it's grouping. Okay, now we factor by grouping. If I look at my first two, I can take a 2x out. So I'm going to do it. 2x, which leaves me with 3x plus 2. And when I take a look at the next two, I'm going to take out a negative 3. Yeah, negative 3, which leaves me with positive 3x, positive 2. This is perfect. You know you've done it right when these two values are the exact same. And then again, what you're really doing is you're saying both of these two new terms have a 3x plus 2. So I'm taking that out as a GCF. 3x plus 2. And what am I left with? Well, 2x in the first piece, minus 3 in the second. All right? Easy enough. Not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, when we take a look at something like number 2, same idea. I have an A value. Actually, guys, real quick, first thing we should always do is look for a GCF. And I did that on the first one, I just didn't talk about it, right? There's no GCF in the original. There's no GCF right here. So, again, I multiply 2 and 21 to get 42. That's what I need to multiply to. I need to add to negative 13. Not 1 and 42, not 2 and 21, not 3 and 14. There is no 4, there is no 5, 6. 6 and 7. Ooh, I like it. 6 times 7. 6, 7. Interesting. I need to get to negative 13 from 6 and 7. Let's make them both negative. And why do we know that they both have to be negative? Because they have to multiply to a positive. Okay, if we have to multiply to positive 42, then both numbers either have to be positive or both have to be negative. So we're going to split the middle to 2x to the fourth minus 6x squared minus 7x squared plus 21. I'm going to look at my first two terms. I'm going to see that I can take out a 2x squared, which leaves me with x squared minus 3. And I'm going to take out a negative 7. Yeah, let's go negative 7, which leaves me with positive x squared minus 3. Beautiful. So, x squared minus 3, 2x squared minus 7, and for right now, we are done with this, okay? I'm not looking for solutions right now, so we would leave it right there. Number 3, same idea. Same idea. 10 times 6 is 60. Negative 19 is what we're going to add to. Not 1 and 60, not 2 and 30. 3 and 20, no. 4 and 15? I like it, okay? Negative 4 and negative 15 make negative 19, and we know negative 4 times negative 15 makes positive 60. So again, we know now what to split the middle with. Minus 4x minus 15x plus 6. And we just keep going. Okay, so I can take out a 2x. So 2x leaves me with 5x minus 2. And I'm going to take out a negative 3, which leaves me with another 5x minus 2. Beautiful. Exactly what I wanted. So we finish by writing 5x minus 2, 2x minus 3. And that is our answer to that one. Last one. Please be careful. Guys, if you want, you can just go right here. I think it's easier to take out a GCF first, though. It makes the numbers a little smaller and nicer to work with. I can take a 3 out. Okay, and again, I do that because now I can work with 4 and 3 rather than 12 and 9. Alright, 4 times 3 is, 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Let me start over. Negative 12, and we have to add to 4. So I'm thinking not 1 and 12. 2 and 6 sounds good. 2 and 6 sounds great, actually. What's going to have to be true if I want to get to positive 4? My negative 2, my 6 should be positive. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. This is perfect. We now know how to split the middle. Keep that 3 out there. Just keep bringing it along. So let's go negative 2x plus 6x minus 3. 3. Actually, I'm going to go like this. Bracket. What can I take out of the first two pieces here? I'm going to take out a negative, or 2x. Just a 2x. Which will leave me with 2x minus 1. And what can I take out of here? Just a 3. So I finished this by saying 3, 2x minus 1, 2x plus 3. Alright? So that is some practicing factoring if you guys need it. I hope that helped. Remember the strategies. Please, please, please remember that once you figure out what two factors multiply and add correctly, that's how you split the middle. That is how you split the middle. All right. Have a good one.